يسعد مساكم. Hello everyone.
To continue what we have started in the first video, we are going to add interactive tool to our macro to run it and to make it more user-friendly. From Developer tab, Controls group, click on Insert and choose Button. The pointer convert to a crosshair to allow me to draw a button wherever I want in the sheet. A pop-up window suggests to assign a macro. I can change the caption to hello, for example. Now when I click on this button, the macro will be implemented. Another way to add a button to allow me more formatting options, from Insert tab, choose Shapes, whatever shape we want, for example this one, and we can draw it here as you can see. Right click, edit text, hello, put it in the center, in the middle, and give it more formatting options. We can choose this one, for example. Now the last step is to assign the macro we created. Right click again and we can choose assign macro. Upon click on the button, the macro will be implemented. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.